Finally, find cantarell. Mahal nito. Alam niyo, it's so expensive in the store. So instead of buying it, just go if you have time, go in the forest. Seem like me, I'm so kuripot. So that's why I'm here in forest. Plukas ban. It's my day off today, and now what I did is here in the forest. First time this year, the chanterelle. Kulang mag-isa at wala aking kiseme. Konti lang yung kuha ko, kaya ano lang, sakto na ito pang gawa ng smargos. Ayan, kahit paano may nakuha din, cantarell, konti lang, pwede ng smargos torta, smart tinapay.